Hi everyone. So I'm stuck in the bathroom with my cat today because we need to get a urine sample. Sushi. 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 So we need to get a urine sample for her, and I don't know, I dropped some water over here and she started drinking it, which is good because then that means she'll pee, and then that means we get a urine sample. Oh my god, mukbang. Mukbang in the bathroom, trying to get my cat's pee. So basically we're just gonna be chilling for a few hours until this bitch pees. It's all good. I got my phone with me. I made some food, I got water, I got toilet, shower, toothbrush, the whole thing. You don't need to worry about me. Yeah, let's get some different angles up in this bitch. This is Sushi. Oh, okay. Sushi about to like, I don't know, do some sink stuff. This is kind of boring. Bathroom haul. Okay, so basically up here we have cotton pads, nail polish remover from $2 shop, moisturizing cream. This one when I got my ears pierced, flossing stuff, hair stuff, more hair stuff. This I stole from Maddie. Not really stole. Okay. Shout out to Maddie for giving me like stuff every time I go into her room because she's a hoarder, and like I try to tell her to get rid of shit and then she ends up giving it to me. Thank you, Maddie. Sushi, I honestly I've got some cotton buds. Selby, if you're a true Uruguayan, you know this shit. This shit like literally cures everything. Like even like if you break your bone, this will work. Like just put it on your bone and it will like put it back together or something. We got some body butter, it smells real good. Some Lush samples from Jordan. Thanks Jordan, shouts out to you. Hairbrush with lots of hair in it. Tiny hair straightener. What's this? A hair dryer thing. We got some soap. Got a little bit of Sushi's pee on that. Don't look, that's disgusting. Toothbrush, toothpaste, syringe for Sushi's pee. Sushi. Sushi pussy. And she's out. Here we have her bowl because, hold on, there's just like a fat ass plate. Oh my god, did she just do more peas? Be right back. I was literally in here for like 2 hours before I started vlogging, so. Sushi, what are you looking at? She's like. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Take care of your cats and yourselves. Sushi, come here for the video. Sushi, vení. Vení acá, bebé. Go.